Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Beau's Slow English. In today's video, I want to talk about happiness because there's a lot of negativity in this world. So before I ramble off about positivity, please like my video and please click subscribe. I am walking outside to get some fresh air, and also because I know you guys like when I'm outside. It's rare that I'm outside lately because I have so much to do outside of work, so that's why I film a lot of videos inside my house. But today is my day off, and I'm dedicating this time to vlog outside. Nari, she just rubbed her face all over this wet grass, so she probably has mud on her face. Oh God, I need to give her a bath. If you would like to strengthen your English speaking skills, then read the caption above and pause the video after I say one sentence and try to shadow my tone. That is a good way to try and sound like a native English speaker. Ramble off, or to ramble, means that you just talk and talk and talk. And I've learned that I have this skill where I can just ramble. And the skill has become very useful with my English channel. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I read everyone's comments, and thank you everyone who does submit a comment on here. I know that there's a lot of bad things happening in this world, and it touches my heart to hear that my videos bring joy to your day. It actually really helps to motivate me to post videos every day to try and bring that joy to your life. Sometimes it's hard to see joy when you are surrounded by sadness, anger, and negativity. There's a lot going on in Los Angeles right now as far as violence, anger, negativity. I am luckily safe. My neighborhood where I live is safe, so I am extremely grateful for that. Let's just do a walking meditation today together and focus on the things that make us happy. So number one thing for me lately is I'm so happy to have a positive influence on people around the world. I've made a lot of friends. I just hit 35,000 subscribers. When I have a tough day at work, at my full-time job, and then I come home and I read your comments, the comments that say, I'm going through a tough time, times are difficult right now, especially what's happening in the world, but your videos make me happy. I actually cry when I read those comments. I'm not going to cry right now, but I do get very emotional when I read those comments because, to be very honest with you, and I hope my boss doesn't see this, some days at work, my work feels like I don't have a lot of purpose there. I mean, obviously, there's purpose for me there. When I come home from work, I am able to recharge my energy, even though when I'm at work, I feel absolutely exhausted. And I think feeling exhausted comes from doing a job that I don't love to do, because what I love to do is help people like you guys. So anyway, I'm happy to have my YouTube channel and to have my community and my friends. It makes me feel like I have a new purpose in life. I am grateful to have a roof over my head, which is a saying that means I'm happy to have a place to live and that I have clean water and food. I'm happy to have built a mindset where I'm constantly trying to evolve my thought process so that I maintain positivity. I think because I try really hard to stay positive, I've been able to manifest good things. Manifest is another word for, it's like karma. It's having good karma. It's being able to attract things into my life because I really, really want it, and I want it so bad that I just pray and think about it all the time. And for that reason, I've been able to have all these new opportunities come to me. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to show you where I'm walking so you can stop focusing on my face and you can focus on the beautiful neighborhood here. The other thing that makes me happy is Nari, my cat, Louie, who's at home taking a nap on the warm bed, and my husband and my mom and dad and my friends, my family. I am happy that they are all safe. It's really nice to have support coming from different people. When you feel supported, you feel like you're doing the right thing. So that's always a good feeling to have. Something really simple that brings joy and happiness in my life is greenery. Greenery is a word for nature. I love the smell of plants. Let's give this a smell. Smells good. I love breathing in fresh oxygen. I'm happy to have a healthy body, to be able to walk around on my feet and smell nature, take in the fresh air. I'm happy to have legs that take me all over the world. I'm happy to have arms and hands that can hold this camera. I'm very happy that I am going on vacation soon. In America, we call it vacation. In Europe, they call it holiday. Americans call like Christmas and New Year's, those type of days, as holidays. Oh, Nari just went number 2. Do you know what that means? It means she pooped, so I need to pick that up. I just picked up her poop. Now I have to find a trash can to dispose this. Anyway, I was saying that I'm happy to go on vacation soon because for me, I work really hard, and if I work hard but I don't have any plans to explore the world, then I feel like a slave. So Hawaii is coming up in a few weeks. I've never been there, surprisingly. I say surprisingly because it's only a 5-hour flight from California. There's no layovers. It's a direct flight. We are going because my friends moved there. They moved to Oahu due to the fire in LA earlier this year, the Palisades fire. Their house burned down. It's so sad. But they seem to be really happy living in Oahu with their 3 young kids, and they are close friends of mine. So I'm super excited to explore the island with them while getting to spend time with them. I just threw away her poop in that trash can. We are going to head back to my car. I don't remember where I parked, so I need to find that out. While I'm trying to figure that out, please consider checking out my ebooks. There's a link below. It will take you to my store. I have a phrasal verb ebook. Ebooks are great because you can study from your phone. Is really helpful if your goal is to sound like a native English speaker. I also have a special 3-pack ebook bundle all about slangs. Slangs are the casual phrases and words that Americans use to communicate with their friends and colleagues. So again, if you want to sound like a native English speaker, consider purchasing the 3-pack slang book. And actually right now, I have a discount available. So check it out. The link is below. I love this house. It's so tranquil. Tranquil means calm, quiet. That's an interesting house. There's not a lot of bells and whistles on that house, which means it's a very minimalist style house, which also means there's not a lot of detail on it, but I really, really like this house. It kind of reminds me of Greece, especially with the white exterior and the blue door. I want to know in the comments, name 3 things that bring you happiness and joy, and let's all share it together. So if you see other subscribers commenting with their 3 favorite things, give your fellow subscriber friends a thumbs up on their comment. Let's build a community. The other thing that brings me happiness and joy is when I do not have to go to work so that I can do all these vlogs. So I just filmed a vlog earlier today, walking outside, describing my surroundings. I'm vlogging a second video right now, and when I get home, I'm going to vlog a few more videos, and then I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to post, and I also have to post some YouTube shorts. Don't forget to check out my shorts that I post sometimes. I'm still trying to find my car, but I think we're getting close. I remember what street I parked on, but I just have to remember how I got there. The other thing that I've learned as I get older about happiness is a choice. For example, if there's something that stresses me out, being stressed out is the opposite of being happy. And normally when I'm stressed, I get angry. That's just my initial reaction. And then I get hives on my body, which are itchy red bumps. It's not worth it. I realize now that everything ends up working out on its own, and everything is always okay. Lately, when I'm stressed or angry, I try to let it pass by. Pass by means to not worry about it, because there are other things in life that I need to focus my energy on, and it really exerts a lot of energy out of me when I'm angry. Exert means to use a lot of energy. I think I found the street where I parked. Yay! I wish you guys were here to smell these plants. They have a unique smell. It smells really clean. If someone else is putting their stress on you, I recommend to put up a bubble. Think of your body surrounded by a bubble that nobody can pop. It's really important to not take on other people's stress and anxiety. Working in customer service, I am constantly surrounded by a lot of different negative energy because that is just the nature of the job. People or clients and customers get happy, they get mad, they want things that they don't have, they want things now. They can be very demanding. So I've learned to put up a bubble around me as my protective shield and as a barrier so that their energy does not rub off on me. Rub off on is a great phrasal verb, which means that if they have negative energy, they can't put it onto you. So their negative energy cannot rub off onto me because of a bubble. What techniques do you have in protecting your peace, your energy, and your happiness? Let me know below. We are almost at my car. For real this time. For real means really, like actually. And you might hear a lot of people say for real in America. There's a person walking towards me. They are pushing a stroller. Oh, there's some more people now playing in that kind of skate park area. They're throwing a football around. How cute. He just hiked the ball like they're playing football. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I had a great time actually doing a walking meditation with you. And if you enjoyed this, please share this with your friends. And also, if you would like to receive my videos as quickly as possible, join my membership. There's a button below. And I also like to communicate with my members in our private conversation tab on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. You bring happiness and joy in my life. I mean it. I really mean it. Sorry. Nari keeps pulling. I'll see you next time. Thank you for supporting me. Bye-bye.